morning all. Welcome to DAV Sri Vishnu Vidyaniketan online classes. Today we are going to discuss about ecosystem. What is ecosystem? So the combination of biotic and abiotic compounds is known as ecosystem. In this ecosystem we can find two kinds of ecosystem, that is terrestrial one and another one is aquatic one. So, which is filled with water bodies, it is known as ecosystem. And this aquatic ecosystem is further divided as aquatic habitats. And terrestrial ecosystem is also converted into natural and artificial ecosystems. Let us see the terrestrial ecosystems in a natural way. Terrestrial natural ecosystem divides into mountain ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, and this desert ecosystem is converted into cold desert ecosystem and warmed desert ecosystem, and finally tundra ecosystem. These five ecosystems are combinedly known as terrestrial ecosystem. Let us discuss about aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic natural ecosystem is further divided into these ways. Aquatic ecosystem is filled with water, so the organisms just like plants and animals shared with this ecosystem. So it is divided into two ways, that is marine ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem. Marine ecosystem is divided into three ways: ocean ecosystem, coral reef ecosystem and estuarine ecosystem. Whereas freshwater ecosystem is divided into flowing water ecosystem, which is rivers, streams, ponds, etc. And still water ecosystem are stagnated water ecosystem, just like ponds and lakes, etc. In natural ecosystem, the animals and plants which are living together, they are known as aquatic plants or aquatic animals. They have special adaptations over their bodies. Let us see about artificial ecosystems. Terrestrial artificial ecosystem and aquatic artificial ecosystem. Terrestrial aquatic ecosystem is divided into two ways, that is crop fields and gardens. Aquatic ecosystem is also divided into two ways, sewage and aquariums. So, we can provide different kinds of plants and animals during these habitats. Crop field ecosystem is converted by farmers to enhance food productions. Let us see nature of an ecosystem. There are two major aspects of an ecosystem, that is a function and a structure. So, ecosystem is a functional and structural unit of ecology. Ecology is a term represent the study of earth or a study of environment. Ecosystem is such a dwell place which convey the combinations of biotic and abiotic components. Let us see the structure of ecosystem. The studies are made on the ecosystem which convey the message that biotic components and abiotic components are present in ecosystem. So let's see what is biotic components present over there in ecosystem. Bio means life. Biotic components which possess life. So, what kind of creatures or plants we are containing over there in our environment? So, it is a habitat sharing organisms of an ecosystem which always depends on abiotic compounds. Functions of an ecosystem. Energy flow and mineralization are a nutrient cycle, just like biogeochemical cycles are processed or going on this ecosystem. And the productivity of nutrients returning to the soil and giving to the plants from the soil is a common phenomenon of ecosystem. Biotic compounds. Living parts of an ecosystem which possess life, an important component of an ecosystem in which energy flows in the form of food from one organism to another. Classified based on various modes of nutrition as producers. So, plants prepare their own food by using a simple components just called carbon dioxide, water molecule, and photo, that is sunlight, and inbuilt product which is called chlorophyll. So, plants prepare their own food and serving food to other animals. It is known as producers. Producers always prepare food and they will serve food to another animals. So, they are known as autotrophs as they are producing their own food, and the process they preparing their own food is known as photosynthesis. That's all for today, children. I hope you understand this module. This part is continued and we will meet another part of ecosystem and we will learn more things about that. Thank you.